a new RC in the fleet, the Traxxas Rustler, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
noprosrc.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that brief montage of the Traxxas Rustler. She's new to the fleet. I love this color green, loving the chrome wheels, the whole nine. It's a blast to drive. Yeah, I'm glad I picked this up at auction for very cheap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment below if you got the Traxxas Rustler and how do you like it. And we'll see you on the next one. I love this car. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.